Feeling stuck designing with mock data? Connect real data to your designs and work smarter. Hi, I'm Paula, your virtual assistant, and today I will show you how to do it in Adobe Express. Let's begin by installing the DataPocket add-on. Go to Add-ons on the left panel, then search and install DataPocket. We are using the DataPocket samples for this tutorial, but remember, you can use your own data anytime. I have other videos where I explain how to connect e-commerce platforms, Google Sheets, or Airtable. It's super easy. This is our Adobe Express template. It includes an image, some text, and the price. I'll start by choosing a product from the product list. Next, select an image from your design and click on the one you want to replace it with. Easy, right? Let's do the same with the title. Select the title from your design and click on the text field you need. Fast, isn't it? I also want to add a little description. Finally, I'll finish the design by replacing the price. Perfect! Our design is ready. With this trick, you'll be able to do lots of designs in a matter of seconds. Now it's your turn. I can't wait to see how your products will look. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting updates.